Hi all, welcome to our channel. So this regarding for how we can making a YouTube videos by using for two options with the music, with the audio option. Lot of things are there. One is called Easy Video Maker. There's one of the websites called easymakevideo.com in one of the website. We can download the software. Will be here is the option. This will be complete for very useful by the software will be here. They will support for the Windows option. Okay. Next will be EZWidth. Easy Video Maker and EZWidth, what are the different? Easy Video Maker, along with your own voice, you can add your another voice also we can add. But EZWidth, what are the original voice we can't listen? What we add the music that will be shown to the particular customer. Next one option name is called Canva option. So I have to creating for one swimming pool website video. In this particular swimming pool website video, how we can generating for business leads, all will be based on the YouTube option. First of all, I have to select one video is called freestyle swimming. Select the freestyle swimming. In this, how to learn freestyle swimming for beginners. Here is the option. First of all, we can using Canva or Easy Video Maker. Anything you use the particular software. So Easy Video Maker already I'm install here. Once install will be done, just is the one drawback is there. Easy Video Maker up to 5 minutes will be free. Up to 5 minutes will be free. So in this one, first of all, we can, what is the style video we can add by year option. We can add the all video at a time once. So what are the videos? So it will be welcome video option. Next will be contact us form. These are all options. Before this one, select image. Go to thumbnail. We can prepare the one thumbnail will be here. Here is the option. So you can prepare, first of all, images are more important. This is nothing but your welcome screen will be held by the option. So image word design. Go to this and apply by here. So you can add by one. Select it by video line. Here is the option. Video line. Next image option. Video line. Next option, contact us. So how we can selecting for music? That is a major issue for every website beginners. So we can go to your particular YouTube studio option. That is called audio library. in this, what are the specific library you want. Select the library in free music. We can upload further your particular one format will be here. So everything will perfect. Simple option. First, you can play this video completely. How it is shown to the particular customers, a particular video. This much of time is not useful for the users. So here is the option. So along with, we can add your original music option. Music. After adding music, it will be here, music file. Right click, select as audio 0 file. So compared to the option, that is complete will extension will be here. And second thing is called, we have checked option name is called any subscribe scheme will be there. You can check it out. It is there. Added here. So you can increase the music. But leave it this subscribe one will be separate. Music will be here. Next one. What is the keyword I'm suggesting here? Just export. Select your particular option. And click for option will be here. Simple thing. What are the logic you can use? First of all, image and video, everything will be here is the option. Compared to the all network, easy video maker will be very useful to making a video for the particular customers. So this is the way we can video will be make. And once video will be done, it will be show will be like this. So I'll show you how we can video will be played to the particular customer. So this is a complete fun what we are making for video for YouTube channel. The option name is called easy video maker option. So that is the one of the method will be used for easy video maker. So this is the making a video for the particular customer. So this will be the people interested, call to our number. Finally, you can click for subscribe our channel. So this is a making video will be compulsory important. So anything you will be doubts and clarify purpose, you can follow my channel. I definitely will be support. What are the changes and everything will be here into my channel. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. So many things are there. Now I'm using for easy video maker. Next video, I'll show you how we can using Canva to making a video for the particular users. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be supporting. Thank you. Thank you very much.